What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a Chevy Equinox started if the key fob dies. So I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2024 Chevrolet Equinox in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the Equinox as I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash saying no remote detected. So what I'm going to do is grab my key fob and come over here to the center console. I'm going to place the key fob in the front cup holder like that. And then once that key fob is sitting in the front cup holder like that, we should be able to start the vehicle as normal. Brake, stop start button. And once the vehicle starts, you'll be able to drive as you normally would. And then the only other thing you'll want to do is replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to replace the battery in this key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.